Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, we are going to discuss about lead time metrics used in Agile. First, let's understand what is lead time. Lead time is the total time is taken from the moment a request is made until the moment the request is completed. The request can be user stories from the customers or epics or features. In simple words, the clock starts when a customer or stakeholder asks for something and it stops when the team delivers it. Lead time tells you how long customer waits for the value. This helps you to measure responsiveness, understanding the demand versus capacity, and improve overall predictability of the team's delivery. Shorter lead times usually means happier customers and better flow across your entire system. Let us say a customer requests a new feature on 1st of March and your team delivers on March 20th. That means the lead time is 20 days. Hope this is clear. This matrix captures not just a development time, but also time spent for waiting, prioritization, or sitting in the backlog. Here is the key difference. Lead time is request stage to delivery stage, and cycle time is start date to finish date. Lead time includes the waiting time before the team starts the work. Hope this is clear. To reduce the lead time, we should focus on clearing the backlog clutters, setting clear priorities, improving flow efficiency in the delivery, and reducing the handoff of the delays across the teams. The faster you can move items from requested to done, the better the experience for your customers. So that is lead time in Agile, a simple metrics with a big impact for the customers. Now let's understand this metrics with the Excel template with the sample data from the project. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Now let's understand the metrics from the Excel template. So hope you are able to see this Excel. So we have a table in the left side with the column user story, created date, completed date, and lead time. So the created date is the requested date from the customers or stakeholder for the user story, task, or feature. So here I have listed the user stories and this is the created date. So 1st 9th 2025 the request is created. Team delivered and completed and gave it to the customers on 5th 10th. Okay, 5th of October. So the lead time is 34 days. So this is the auto calculation P field. So this will reduce the completed date from created date. So these are all the lead time for the 10 user stories. So if you take average of all this lead time, the team's average lead time is 52.1 to complete a one user story from the past 10 user stories history. And in this, the maximum lead time is 78. See here, 78. And minimum lead time is 27. So with that, we can tell, okay, the team's average lead time to deliver the user story is 52.1 days. And the quickest delivery time, the lead time is 27. And the longest lead time is 78 days. This is one metrics you can report it. So when you enter the data in this table, the charts will be automatically populated in this Excel. So here we have user story. So for every user story, we can identify the lead time. So first user story 34 days, second is 66 days, like that. So by quickly seeing this chart, we can see, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 user stories took more than 50 days. So maybe we can take some actions to see what caused that and how we can reduce this lead time in the future. So few insights from this chart is team can analyze the user stories which took more lead time for the delivery. Okay, that's what. So we can take these 4 to do the analysis. There are various reasons for higher lead time for the user stories. Okay, for example, the backlog may not be happened, or prioritization may not be happened, or lots of requirement clarifications pending from the team. So these are all some reasons for the user stories not started by the team or delayed by the team to deliver after the creation. So we can identify all these reasons and take some improvements for the upcoming features. And sometimes the complexity of the user stories also may cause the delay, and also some block tests related to the user story also cause more lead time for the particular user story. The analysis will help the team to plan some improvement actions in the future. So hope this is clear. And I have already posted 15 ready to use Agile project management templates, and you can click this link, and this link will be posted in the comment section also, and you can download, and more than 10 to 15 project data also available in each of the templates, and please have a look in this link. Hope this is clear. And if you want to get this ready to use Excel template, please send a mail to jogocoaching@gmail.com. So we will be sending the template. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.